everyone, welcome to my video section in AWS Amazon Cloud. Today we will learn a new concept called the S3 Lifecycle Management. So what's the S3 Lifecycle Management? We use it to manage your objects and reduce your cost. In S3 Lifecycle Management we have two options. The option number one called the transition action. This option defines your object or transition in another class in the specific day, in the 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, etc. For example, we have here the class number one or the standard class. Already we have buckets and we have the data. There is no edit for this data, so after 30 days we want to move it in the standard or infrequent access. And after 180 days we will move it to archiving or in the Glacier class. Okay, this is about the option number one. The option number two is the expiration action. This is when you this data, or if you have data here in the standard class and we don't need it after 30 days, so we will delete it at all. So this is all about the S3 Lifecycle Management. So let's start to go in the lab. Now we are in the my account in AWS. So as you can see, I am in the S3 and I have two buckets already. So now I will enable the lifecycle for the two buckets. The lifecycle, or this is the first one, we will do it in the option one, the transition option, and the second one we will do it for the expiration option. Start to access in the first buckets. After that I access, now I need to go in the management. After that go in the lifecycle. Now I am in lifecycle. Now I will add the lifecycle rules. Here I will give the rules. For example, my first rule. Okay, and now he asks you about the choose a rule scope for the limit in the specific prefix, or apply in all objects, or in object in the bucket. So I will do it in the all buckets. Okay, after that he asks you about the current versioning and the previous versioning. Okay, so I will in the current one, and here I will add the transition. We will do the same example, the example number one, already in the standard class. After 30 days move it in the standard infrequent access. Then after 180 days move it in the Glacier after 180 days. Okay, now I acknowledge here. Okay, next. So here you can move this one. Okay, and acknowledge. Okay, and save. This is about the first one, the first rule. Okay, or the first bucket. Now I need to go in the second one to make it expiration. The same, go in the management and lifecycle. Here I will do it in the all objects also. Here I need to give name my second example, my second rule. Okay, next. After that here I will skip this options. Okay, the current versioning, and because we will do just the expiration. Okay, and here I will check here the current version. See here I ask you the expire current version of the object after what? For example, after 30 days. Okay, and make next and acknowledge. Okay, and save. This is all about how to create the life cycle in the S3, in the two option, in the expiration option and in the transition option. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.